Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise and Advanced Inventory can help you track the expiration dates of your inventory by serial or lot numbers. This helps you reduce the risk of selling expired items or make sales decisions like discounting items about to expire. Let's go over how to turn on expiration dates for your inventory, receive inventory that has an expiration date, and then track it on reports. Select Edit, Preferences. Then select Items and Inventory and open the company preferences. Select Advanced Inventory Settings and then the Serial Lot Number and Expiration tab. To track expiration dates, you'll also need to activate serial or lot numbers. That's because when you assign an expiration date, you assign it to a specific serial or lot number. Select the Activate Expiration Date checkbox, and then select the transactions you want to include expiration dates. You can make the expiration date mandatory or give you an alert if you don't enter it. You can also add preferences for specific items when you add or edit them. This overrides the global preferences you enter in Advanced Inventory Settings. Select OK. Let's receive inventory and record the expiration date for an inventory item. Select Receive Inventory. Receive inventory with a bill. Fill out the transaction like you normally would, or use a purchase order to fill it out for you. Enter the serial or lot number for the inventory you received, and then enter an expiration date. And then save the transaction. If you want to assign expiration dates to existing serial or lot numbers, open the Inventory menu and select Adjust Quantity Value on Hand. Select serial or lot number as the adjustment type. Enter the name of the inventory, and then select the drop-down under Serial or Lot Number, and enter the serial or lot number and the expiration date. Then select Save and Close. You can track the expiration date of your inventory on Reports. Select the Reports menu, Inventory, Serial Lot Numbers in Stock. Then double-click the serial or lot number to see the expiration date. Now you're ready to track the expiration dates for your inventory.